Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the Ruimen watch above 50% and open the Ruimen app on your phone. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Once done, sign into or create your account. This links watch data to the cloud. Make sure to grant the app notifications and location permissions so syncing and alerts work. Next, place the watch near the phone and tap pair in the app. Follow on-screen codes to confirm the connection, because pairing secures continuous data transfer. Once paired, you configure how the watch behaves. Open settings in the app and enable auto-sync. Choose a 15 to 30-minute interval to balance battery and timeliness. Then customize watch faces and which app notifications appear. This reduces distractions. Next, set health targets, step goal, heart rate sampling frequency, and sleep tracking windows so data aligns to your routine. Make sure to save each setting and force a manual sync to confirm changes applied, because visual confirmation prevents missed preferences later. You finalize setup by checking for firmware updates and installing them while the watch stays on the charger. Updates fix bugs and improve stability. Then test calls, messages, alarms, and a short activity to verify health sensors report correctly. If something goes wrong, restart the watch and your phone, clear the app cache in phone settings, and repair the devices. This sequence resolves most connectivity or sync failures. If problems persist, note error messages and contact support with model and firmware details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.